Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Oppo Reno 4, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, we have a lot of improvement over the Oppo Reno 3, and also we have a 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the galactic blue color. So in this video we're gonna unbox the new Oppo Reno 4 in this blue color, and I am really excited for this phone because I really like the design language of the Oppo Reno 4 on the back especially. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox this new Oppo Reno 4 in this blue color, and let's see what is Oppo has to offer this time. And about 6 months ago Oppo launched their Oppo Reno 3 series, and now the Oppo Reno 4 series, it is also here in the market as well. So now let's quickly peel the plastic off on this box. And guys, also we get a 1-year warranty card on this phone because this phone, it is officially launched in Pakistan market, and we have an online warranty system on this phone. Now let's open this box like this, and you can see. And guys, on the top we get this one more box which open like this, and you can see. And guys, on the top we get a small box. Now let's see which contain a, you can see, which contain a SIM ejection tool, and also we have a quick start guide as well as a warranty card with the Oppo Reno 4. And guys, here is the silicone case of the Oppo Reno 4. Now let's put the side here, and you can see here is the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see. And guys, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Oppo Reno 4. We have a AI color portrait, and guys, also we have a 960 fps slow motion on this phone. And guys, also we have a smart air controls which uses your hand like this, and you can up down in the scrolling area. And guys, also we have a Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is not the best chipset in this price range. At least we get a Snapdragon 765G chipset on this phone. Give you a same chipset that we also see on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, which is a much cheaper phone. And guys, now let's put that side here and look inside the box. And guys, we got this big adapter, and you can see we have a lot of improvement over the Oppo Reno 3. Oppo Reno 3 give you a 20-watt fast charging, but this phone give you a 30-watt super VOOC charging on this phone. And guys, here is the headphones of the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see which looks like this. And also we have a big USB Type-C cable with the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see. And guys, here is the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see in this blue color. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see. And guys, this is a blue color, you can see. Now let's remove that like this, and you can see. Guys, on the back we get a matte finish which is very helpful. You will not be able to see your fingerprints on the back. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. And guys, also the screen protector, it is already installed on this phone. Guys, on the bottom we get a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left we have a volume up and volume down rocker with a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we get a noise cancellation microphone, and on the right hand side we have a power on off button. And guys, here is the display. This phone gave you a 6.4-inch full HD AMOLED display, and you can see. And guys, also we have a dual front facing camera inside this punch hole. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno 4, and you can see. And here is the new wallpaper of the Oppo Reno 4. And guys, overall I have to say that the main highlighting feature about the Oppo Reno 4 in my opinion is the design language on this phone. And this time Oppo is done very good job in this area, because on the back we get a matte finish as well as blue color. But I have to say that the back, it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone, and you can see. And guys, now let's go to the settings and go to the about phone, and this phone is running on Android 10, and you can see, which is the latest software of Android right now. And also we have a ColorOS version 7.2 on this phone. GB of internal storage out of 111 GB, it is available for you guys. And guys, also this phone does not give you any 90 Hz refresh rate that we also see on a mid-range level phone, Oppo A53. And guys, also we have a always on display on this phone. And now let's look at the camera. And guys, this phone gave you a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel f1.7 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel for monochrome. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Oppo Reno 4. And guys, you can see that we also have a portrait mode, and you can see which is also work on object, which uses a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. And guys, here is the normal, and here is your 8 megapixel ultra wide. And you can see the ultra wide, it is also really good on this phone. And the night mode, it is also available with the back camera, which is also available with the ultra wide lens. And also we have a tripod mode on this phone, which is a really helpful feature in very low light environment. Now let's go to the video section, and now let's see the video recording size. And the back camera only shoots 4K with 30 fps video recording size. Guys, also we have a full HD with a 60 fps video recording size on this phone option as well. Now let's go back, and now let's go to the mode section. And you can see in the mode section we also have a slow motion feature on this phone. You can record 960 fps slow mo, and also we have a time lapse on this phone. And guys, in the video section we also have a bokeh video feature on this phone, as well as a ultra steady mode. And you can see as well as a ultra steady pro mode, which uses a 8 megapixel ultra wide. And guys, now let's see the front camera. And you can see on the front we got a dual cameras on the front, and the main sensor on the front, it is a 32 megapixel. Then we have a 2 megapixel for depth sensing, which uses in the portrait mode. And you can see in the front camera also give you a portrait mode. Now let's go to the video section. And guys, also we have a ultra steady mode on this phone with the front camera as well. And guys, now let's talk about the battery life of the Oppo Reno 4. This phone gave you a 4050 mAh battery size, so that is why this phone feels really light in the hand. And also this phone, it is also really slim. And you can see this phone give you at least 1 day of battery life without any problem. And also we have a 30-watt fast charging on this phone. You don't have to worry about the battery life, because the battery charging speed will be very fast on this phone. We will see the exact number in my battery charging test, so stay tuned for that. And guys, that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.